going to show you how to change these horizontal tabs to vertical tabs in Google Chrome. It's a new feature that I just noticed, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So you go to any tab, you right click, then you at the bottom here you see show tabs vertically. So when you click on that, you'll notice now that the tabs are no longer at the top here, the horizontal ones, and it's on the side on the vertically here. You can add new tabs here, so it opens up a new browser, and you can delete it by pressing the X here. You can change the group layout here, so you can create different groups and just say this is group, just say AI, and you just put the tabs in there. Delete this one here. So this makes it look a bit more organized. If you prefer to have vertical tabs instead of the horizontal tabs, then you may want to use this feature. So if you want to minimize that, and now it looks like you can see just the icons, you can expand it again. Now if you want to go back to the horizontal tabs, you just right click again and show tabs horizontally. Now you'll see them at the top here. Hope this video helped. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.